Top 10 Highest Paying Jobs 2026. 1. Data Scientist. Data scientists have been much sought after for a few years now. Their impact in 2026 is going to be even more substantial. They use complex data sets to extract empirical insights that businesses can leverage for decision making. Roles and responsibilities: collect, clean, and process large datasets from several sources. Develop predictive models using machine learning algorithms. Derive business trends and patterns to drive decision making. Partner with functional teams to solve hard, cross-functional business problems. Deliver findings in a way that non-technical stakeholders can consume. Average salary $1,20,000 to $2,00,000 annually. Qualification: bachelor's or master's degree in data science. Master's in machine learning. Discover the path to a successful data scientist career and unlock your potential too. Machine learning expert. Machine learning experts design and implement algorithms that allow systems to learn and improve automatically from data. Automation will continue to grow, and these experts will be key in the innovation. Roles and responsibilities: designing machine learning models and algorithms. Analyzing data for opportunities for automation and optimization. Train models and continuously improve their performance. Implement machine learning frameworks in collaboration with software engineers. Monitor and maintain machine learning systems in production. Average salary $130,000 to $190,000 annually. Qualification: master's in machine learning.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.
3. Blockchain developer. Blockchain developers create decentralized applications, DApps, and are half of developing blockchain architecture. In this field, a lot of money can be made thanks to the popularity of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. Roles and responsibilities: create blockchain protocols and solutions. Build and operate decentralized applications, DApps, and smart contracts. Ensure the security and scalability of blockchain solutions. Partner with teams to implement blockchain in the operations. Track the blockchain networks for any kind of problems. Average salary $120,000 to $160,000 annually. Qualification: engineering graduates and people with certification courses. 4. Full stack developers. Full stack developers are generalists able to manage both front-end and back-end development, meaning they can be the all-rounders on these projects. Roles and responsibilities: create and sustain the front-end back-end pieces of web applications. Design user interfaces to optimize user experience, UX. Build and maintain databases, servers, and APIs. Optimize the code for debugging and performance scalability. Work with designers, product managers, and fellow developers to execute projects. Average salary $90,000 to $150,000 annually. Qualification: bachelor's in computer science. 5. Product manager. Product managers steer the development of products from ideation into launches. They collaborate cross-functionally to make sure the product is hitting business objectives and customer needs. Roles and responsibilities: define the product vision, strategy, and roadmap. Conduct market research to identify customer needs and pain points. Work with engineering, design, and marketing to build the product. Obsess over the product life cycle, from initial development to launch and afterward. Track product performance and feedback from users so that we can improve over time. Average salary $110,000 to $150,000 annually. Qualification: Bachelor's in Business, Engineering, or MBA preferred.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.